You don't need to really know her name, her race, where she's from. When she walks in, you find yourself staring. When she talks, you find yourself listening. When she smiles, you smile with laughter in your soul, because there's something so phenomenal about this woman. What you know, what you know, what you know. Her eyes glow at life, her smile elevates, her heart beats with love, her love radiates. Look into her soul of true spirituality. Yeah, she smiles with deep sincerity. The dress that she wears, the curls on her hair, the way that she walks, them legs that make you talk, the way that she walks with real integrity. In her future, all I see is prosperity. What you know about her, 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 what you know about her. I said, who's that girl? I said, who's that girl?